Speak loudly and clearly with me. Today is day one of my English speaking journey. I am starting this journey to improve my English. I want to speak English with confidence. I know it will not be easy, but I am ready for this challenge. I have been wanting to learn English for a long time. I have been waiting for the right moment. And today, this is that moment. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. Today, right now. This is my moment. I am not perfect. My English is not perfect right now. But that is okay. Because nobody starts perfect. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once exactly where I am right now. They were nervous, they were unsure, they made mistakes, they felt embarrassed. But they kept going, and that is the only difference between them and someone who gave up. They kept going, and I will keep going too. I have dreams, big dreams. I want a better job. I want to travel the world. I want to talk to people from different countries. I want to watch movies and understand every word. I want to read books in English. I want to write emails with confidence. I want to walk into any room and speak boldly. And English will help me do all of that. English is not just a language. English is a door to better opportunities, a door to better connections, a door to a better version of myself. And today, I am opening that door. I am choosing to grow. I am choosing to improve. I am choosing to believe in myself because I am capable. I have learned so many things in my life. I learned to walk. I learned to talk. I learned to read and write in my own language. And if I could do all of that, I can learn English too. It just takes time. It just takes patience. It just takes practice. Every single day, even if it is just 10 minutes, even if it is just 5 sentences, every day counts. Every word I learn counts. Every sentence I speak counts. Small progress is still progress, and I will celebrate every small win. When I learn a new word, that is a win. When I speak a full sentence without stopping, that is a win. When I understand someone speaking English, that is a win. I will celebrate all of it because I deserve to celebrate my progress. Now, let me think about why I am really doing this. Why do I want to learn English? Maybe I want to get a better job. Maybe I want to study abroad. Maybe I want to communicate with people from other countries. Maybe I want to feel more confident. Maybe I just want to prove to myself that I can do it. Whatever the reason is, it is valid. My reason is enough. My dream is enough. I am enough. And I will work hard every day to reach my goal. I know some days will be hard. I know some days I will feel like giving up. I know some days I will forget what I learned. I know some days I will feel embarrassed when I make a mistake. But on those days, I will come back here. I will read these words again. And I will remind myself why I started. Because the reason I started is bigger than any bad day. My dream is bigger than my fear. My future is bigger than my mistakes. I will not let one bad day stop me. I will not let one mistake define me. I will get up. I will try again. I will keep going. That is who I am. That is who I am choosing to be. Someone who never gives up. Someone who keeps pushing forward. Someone who believes in themselves even when it is hard. I believe in myself. I trust the process. I trust that every day I practice, I am getting better. Even if I cannot see it yet, even if it feels slow, progress is happening. Inside my brain, new connections are forming, new words are getting stored, new patterns are being recognized. My brain is learning, my tongue is adjusting, my confidence is building day by day, step by step, sentence by sentence, word by word. I am growing. I am improving. I am becoming the person I want to be. And 6 months from now, I will look back at this moment, this exact moment, day one, and I will smile because I will see how far I have come. I will remember the nervousness I felt today. I will remember how unsure I was. And I will be so proud of myself for not giving up, for showing up every day, for putting in the work, for believing in myself when it was hard. That person, that confident English speaker, that is me. That is who I am becoming, starting today, starting right now. I am not just learning English, I am building a new version of myself, a stronger version, a more confident version, a version that walks into any room and speaks boldly, a version that expresses ideas clearly, a version that connects with people from all over the world. That is who I am becoming. And I am so excited about that person. I am so excited about my future. I am so excited about this journey because this journey will change my life. I am ready for that change. I welcome that change. I embrace that change. So from today, every single day, I will show up. I will practice. I will improve. I will not compare myself to others. I will only compare myself to who I was yesterday. And every day, I will be a little better than yesterday. That is my only goal. Better than yesterday. Not perfect, just better. Because better every day leads to amazing results over time. This is my journey, my unique journey, at my own pace, with my own progress. And I am proud of every step I take. I am proud of myself for starting. I am proud of myself for showing up today. I am proud of myself for reading every single word. And I am proud of myself for believing that I can do this because I can. I truly can. And I will prove it to myself every single day, starting with today. Day one, my English journey begins now, and nothing, absolutely nothing, will stop me. I will speak boldly. I will speak clearly. I will speak with confidence. I believe in myself. I believe in my journey. I believe in my future. And I know, without any doubt, I will succeed.